Season 2 of, the Capricorn series is going to be a mess. We have a lot of characters, that don't have a big of a role. Because, there's a lot of people that don't have that big of a role. Oh my god, my dad's calling me, 1 second. Okay, back. Where was I on? So season 2 is going to be astonishing. And a lot of characters that are going to get a bigger role. All of the characters that we know are... Don't worry, season 2 is going to be better. I promise you, season 2 is going to get better. So, we're going to explain what it's going to be like. So, there's going to be a lot more lore just walking in the door. Season 1 was just to see all the characters. But there's going to be a lot more. It's not going to even be it's not going to even be like the school thing. It's going to be way different. So there's going to be a crack in the astrology, the crystal of astrology, making all Aquariuses have a dark side. If they broke something, if they broke their arm, then a spirit would go by. If they broke anything on their body, like any bone, a spirit will go by and become evil. So it's going to so the spirits look like nothing at first. They just look like a piece of wind. That sounded wrong. They just look like some wind. But they have to just go on water, and then they finally start to appear, and then one piece of their hideout gets made. So if the astrology lost a lot, then it would be a lot of bad things. It would be like one piece that was really bad. So making Aquariuses have really gentle skin. Not skin, but really gentle bones. They have to be careful, and the ones that are clumsy will lead out the most people. The only way to fix this is to find the missing crystal, and it's deep underground, and someone will have to find that area while fighting all the spirits. Spirits are named no, I'm thinking of a name. The spirits are called odd dojos. I know it's a weird name, but they're called odd dojos. And they have to go into the castle of the odd dojos and slice it right in. And I'm not going to say what's happening. No. I'm just saying the lore. I'm not saying what's happening, because there's going to be a lot of crazy things happening. And that makes sense with the lore. I'm just explaining the lore so it can be good. And then then the only people that can save them are the chosen ones astrology picked. They can only pick two signs to pick it, and they can pick one of the only powerful Aquariuses. Leading to the new character that's not new character. You've seen them before, but you're like, oh, they're probably nothing. So, oh wait, I'm getting called. Spoiler alert! Spoiler alert! One of the Aquariuses are going to be chosen, and Capricorns are also going to be chosen to help fight. But I'm going to continue in this in 1, 2, 3. Continuing. I don't know what I was on because I had to eat dinner, but this is highly inspired by the movie Dark Crystal. This was going to be a movie, but I made it a series because I heard about the series going on, and I was like, why not? I'm not telling you like, oh, then Max died. There's not even a character named Max. If I wanted to get your hopes up, I would just tell you to like it's going to be insane. It is going to be insane. I can't lie about that. So, what's supposed to happen is that Diana is the leader of the Capricorn cult. I mean by like it's the leader of all the Capricorns fighting. And Diana does not have too much power. All she has is she can float anything she wants. But they have to go to but she booked up a training class, and that's where the story becomes crazy.